Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in Navarre today, picking up a post-test Radon mitigation that we did. Test was originally done during a home inspection for one of our home inspector friends and came back in the mid-20s, 23 and change was the test result. And with the mitigation system in here with a big fan on there, we actually got that down to 1.0, so an absolutely awesome drop. Over 20 points worth of a drop on this one. Very happy with the results. Head out and check out the external portion of the system here, and thanks for checking us out. All right guys, we're out here checking out the Navarre external portion of the system here. See, we came out the foundation wall there, nice brick siding. So we had to put a little quickcrete around that to make sure it was nice and sealed. We put the big fan on there. Ran the pipe up 12 inches above the roof line to stay inside code. Again, really great results out of this house. We're very pleased with this, and so are the homeowners. So make sure you stay tuned for some more content, and thanks for checking us out.